Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we will be seeing 3 designer collection and 4 designs in fancy and regular wear dress materials, price ranging from 749 to 1899. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com. Every day we post new collections at 12 noon. We accept all modes of online payment and we do free shipping all over India. Orders are shipped in 2 days of ordering and tracking will be shared to your mail ID in SMS in 2 days after shipping. Delivery will take 3 to 7 working days from the day of shipping depending on the location. There may be slight delay in delivery date due to COVID restrictions. Kindly order accordingly. If you want us to ship your order at a later date, please email us at contact@neidhal.com immediately after placing your order. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the shades of the dress materials due to the lighting we use for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the product picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is silk cotton. All these are zari woven buttas with yoke done with zardosi and small bead work done, highlighted with gota lace work. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is kind of lime green color. The fabric needs lining. See, all these are buttas are zari woven. As you can see, all these are zari woven buttas with simple yoke. We have turquoise green silk cotton bottom for this set, teamed with fancy crinkled dupatta, bandhani printed dupatta. This is how the print looks. It's kind of shaded green color with turquoise green and light green combination. The cost of the set is 1199. It's a single color concept. This is the next set in bottle green color. All these are sequins and thread work done all over the top with simple yoke and buttons. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is silk cotton and it needs lining. It is a designer set. It has heavy embroidery and sequence work done in the front side of the top, as you can see here. The sequence work are stitched along with the thread with simple contrast buttons, and in the daman we have golden piping. It is plain at the back. We have dark fenugreek yellow silk cotton bottom for this, teamed with beautiful munga checks dupatta. It's a lightweight dupatta. It's printed all over. You can see all these are lightweight and elegant dupatta with beautiful tassels. It's kind of kota type. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1899. The second one is maroon color. This is the second shade, maroon with blue combination. With sequins and thread work done in the front side with contrast buttons. We have dark ink blue, kind of navy blue, silk cotton bottom. It's a bright blue color, teamed with kota checks dupatta. Munga checks dupatta with printed all over and with beautiful tassels. This is how the print looks. Priced at 1899. The fabric is transparent and lightweight. It's similar to kota dupatta. It's a designer set. Priced at 1899. This is the next set in slub silk cotton fabric in blue color. All these are thread woven and simple yoke with fancy buttons. The fabric needs lining in blue shade. As you can see, these are all thread woven in the front as well as at the back. We have red silk cotton bottom for this. teamed with beautiful soft silk cotton dupatta with all over embroidery, rich embroidery done all over, and the tapings are required for the dupatta. It's a beautiful embroidery, rich embroidery done, colorfully done, and we have zari borders on both the sides. And the dupatta has self-design, self-checked design, and the dupatta fabric is soft. And the cost of the set is 1549. It's a single color concept. This is the next design in silk cotton fabric with all over embroidery in light beige color. The fabric needs lining. The fabric is thin, so it needs lining. The embroidery, heavy embroidery is done in the front side of the top, as you can see here. Rich embroidery work done, and in the daman we have lace tapings, gota lace tapings. The fabric is thin, so it needs lining. It's in kind of light beige color. It is plain at the back. It's teamed with soft cotton dupatta, very thin and soft fabric in light pink shade. Teamed with chiffon dupatta with heavy embroidery on one side. And all these are embroidery work done all over, and heavy embroidery on one side of the dupatta matching to that of the top. And tapings has to be done for the dupatta. It's beige with pink combination. The cost of the set is 1249. This is the second set with all over embroidery in silk cotton fabric and teamed with light soft thin cotton fabric for the bottom, teamed with soft chiffon dupatta with all over embroidery in light green shade. The tapings has to be done for the dupatta. The cost of the set is 1249. The next set, beige with light grey combination. This set is teamed with a kind of pastel colors, soft thin cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta in chiffon with embroidery work done, priced at 1249. This is the next design in silk cotton fabric. All these are digital printed in dark beige base with floral and leafy pattern with simple yoke and fancy buttons. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is thin, so it needs lining. It's all over printed, as you can see. The prints are very beautiful in dark beige base. It's printed even at the back. We have turquoise green cotton bottom for this set, teamed with beautiful chiffon dupatta in turquoise green with tapings done all over on all four sides. And this is the embossed foil print done in the dupatta, in the floral. It's a single color. The cost of the set is 1049. This is the next design in silk cotton fabric. This is the neckline with French knot work and small foam mirror work done, and small foam mirror work done all over. It's kind of brick red color. The fabric is silk cotton, so it needs lining. You can see it's a round neck with embroidery work and foil mirror work done. We have dark grey cotton bottom for this, teamed with soft silk cotton dupatta with sequins, a short width dupatta with sequins and thread work done, and tapings on all four sides in dark grey color. The cost of the set is 899. We have four colors in this. The top color will vary, the bottom and the dupatta color is the same. So we have, this is kind of peach color. We have dark grey cotton bottom for this, and dupatta in dark grey soft silk cotton dupatta with sequins and thread work done, priced at $8.99. This is the next color, kind of light orange shade. We have dark grey cotton bottom for this, and this is the dupatta with sequins and thread work, priced at $8.99. This is the next color in turquoise green color with beautiful neckline. We have grey, dark grey cotton bottom for this, teamed with grey soft silk cotton dupatta with sequins and thread work, priced at $8.99. This is the next design in handloom cotton fabric in grey color. The fabric has texture with this yoke pattern with French knot. The fabric is not transparent, so lining is optional. So this is the yoke pattern, and we have mossy green cotton bottom for this, teamed with thread woven silk cotton dupatta. All these are thread woven, as you can see, and tapings are provided. The cost of the set is $7.49. We have 4 colors in this. The base color grey remains the same, only the yoke, dupatta and the bottom color will vary. So this is the second color, grey with light blue shade, pastel blue. So this is the bottom for this. The bottom is thin, and this is the dupatta, thread woven dupatta with tassels. All these are thread woven in fancy silk cotton fabric, priced at $7.49. This is the next color. It's grey with orange combination. This is the bottom in cotton fabric, and this is the dupatta. It's a thread woven dupatta in light orange shade, priced at $7.49. This is the next color, grey with light pink shade. It's a pastel pink, and this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta, thread woven silk cotton dupatta. The fabric of the bottom is thin, and top lining is optional, and this is dupatta in fancy silk cotton with tassels, priced at $7.49. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day.